This is going to be a very quick review on angle classifications. We're going to get into parallel lines and transversals in the next lesson, so knowing the definitions of some of these classifications is going to be very useful. I'm going to go through it very quickly since it is a review from your previous year. First of all, angles are measured in degrees. The first one we're going to look at is an angle called an acute angle. If an angle is acute, then its degrees will be less than 90. So for instance, this angle here, ABC, has a measurement of 50 degrees. So less than 90 makes it acute. Right angles are angles that are exactly 90 degrees. So they're those ones where your two sides are perpendicular to each other. So exactly 90 degrees would be our measurement for angle JFK. 90 degrees is a right angle. Obtuse angles are angles that are greater than 90 degrees but less than 180. So for instance, this one that I've drawn, angle NED, has a measurement of 124 degrees. Again, obtuse angles are greater than 90 but less than 180. And then your straight angles, which are pretty much a straight line, those have a degree measurement of 180. So for instance, this angle here, NOP, is exactly 180 degrees. And we're also going to look at complementary and supplementary, and this is where we can get into algebra and finding missing measurements. Complementary angles are angles whose degree measurements will add up to 90. So you're looking at more than one angle inside a 90-degree angle. For instance, our large angle here, QRT, is split into two separate angles. We have a smaller angle that we are missing a measurement for, angle QRS. We know the measurement of angle SRT is 75 degrees. So knowing that part of that 90-degree angle is 75, we can make an equation. We know that one of the angles is 75. We're missing the other, and we know that together they're complementary. They're going to add up to 90 degrees. So we can make an algebraic equation to find that missing measurement. So we would solve the equation by subtracting 75 on both sides. So the measurement of angle X is 15 degrees. Supplementary angles are angles whose degree measurements add up to 180 degrees. So there are two angles that form a straight line. So for instance, if we know the measurement of angle DOG, we know that's 49 degrees, then we can use this rule to write an equation to find the measurement of GOS. Now remember, these two add up to 180, so I know one of them is 49. I need to find a missing measure. The two of them add up to 180. So again, I'm going to subtract 49 from 180, so that missing measure is 131 degrees will be our measurement for GOS. Okay, so we'll do some examples in class and take it into parallel and transversal lines.